Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing some of my favorite home decor hacks with you today. You know I love a good DIY project, especially when it comes to making our homes feel warm, inviting, and uniquely. And the best part is, you don't need a big budget to make a big impact. Today, we're diving into clever and easy home decor hacks that will change the way you see and style your space. Think peel and stick magic, paint transformations, and clever upcycling ideas. Get ready for some serious inspiration because we're about to unlock the potential in every corner. So grab your tools and your creativity, and let's get started on creating a home you absolutely love. Let's kick things off with a project that's close to my heart, creating a statement wall without the commitment or the mess of traditional wallpaper. Peel and stick wallpaper has been a game changer, y'all. Measure your wall twice, cut your paper once. Accurate measuring is key. Carefully peel off the backing of the wallpaper, starting from a top corner, and smooth it onto the wall as you go. Use a credit card or a squeegee to smooth out any air bubbles and ensure a nice, even finish. This project is simple and the impact is huge. Transform a room in an afternoon, and if you ever get tired of the look, simply peel it off and start fresh. Next up, we're talking about another one of my favorite ways to add personality and charm to a space wall stencils. With the right tools and a little patience, you can create stunning hand-painted designs that look like they were done by a pro. First things first, choose a stencil that speaks to you. Secure it to your wall using painter's tape to prevent any bleeding and ensure clean lines. Use acrylic paint for stenciling because it dries quickly and cleans up easily. Lightly dip your foam roller into the paint, making sure to roll off any excess. Gently roll the paint over the stencil, using light, even strokes. Once you've filled in the entire design, carefully peel away the stencil to reveal your masterpiece. You know, I love a good furniture flip. This next hack is one of my favorites. We're taking a plain coffee table and giving it a high-end makeover. The secret? Marble contact paper. Measure, cut, and apply it, smoothing out air bubbles. Use a credit card for a smooth finish. Add glam with gold spray paint on the legs. Let it dry, and voila! A chic, sophisticated coffee table. If you tire of the look, peel off the contact paper and try something new. Sometimes our furniture needs a refresh, but who has time for reupholstery? You can achieve a new look without sewing. The secret? Stretchy fabric and a staple gun. Choose a fabric that suits your style. Drape it over the seat or top. Secure with a staple gun, pulling taut. Trim excess fabric for a fresh look. Let's talk lighting, y'all. Good lighting can completely transform the mood and ambiance of a space. One of my favorite ways to add a touch of vintage industrial charm is with hanging Edison bulbs. You can find everything you need at your local hardware store, including the Edison bulbs, pendant light kits, and hooks for hanging. Start by figuring out where you want to hang your lights. They look amazing over kitchen islands, dining tables, or in a cozy reading nook. Install hooks on the ceiling where you want your lights to hang, then drape the pendant cords over the hooks, adjusting the length to your liking. Use clear bulbs to fully appreciate the beauty of the filament design. Speaking of creating a magical ambiance, let's talk about fairy lights. They're not just for the holidays anymore, y'all. With a little creativity, you can use these twinkling lights to create a dreamy, ethereal atmosphere in any room of your house. For this hack, you'll need some string lights, sheer curtains, and some command hooks. Start by attaching the command hooks to the ceiling or walls where you want your fairy lights to hang. Drape the string lights behind the sheer curtains, allowing the lights to peek through the fabric. Create a canopy effect over your bed, a cozy reading nook, or an accent wall for a soft, romantic glow. Bringing the outdoors in is one of my favorite ways to add life and freshness to a space. And what better way to do that than with a vertical garden? It's easier and more affordable than you might think. For this project, you'll need mason jars, potting soil, your favorite herbs or small plants, and a wall-mounted rack or a wooden board with hooks. Attach your mason jars to the rack or board using pipe clamps, hose clamps, or strong twine. Fill the jars with potting soil and plant your herbs or flowers. Enjoy fresh herbs right from your wall and add them to your favorite dishes. Let's bring a little bit of the outdoors inside with a project that's both beautiful and low-maintenance DIY terrariums. For this project, you'll need some glass containers, pebbles, potting soil for succulents and cacti, and your favorite little succulents or air plants. Start by layering pebbles at the bottom of your glass container for drainage. Add a layer of charcoal to keep the air inside your terrarium fresh, then a layer of potting soil. Arrange your succulents or air plants in the soil, leaving space between each plant. Add decorative elements like moss, rocks, or small figurines to personalize your terrarium. Next up, we're tackling a common problem in many homes: storage. We all need more of it, right? Well, I have a solution that's both stylish and functional: a hidden storage ottoman. To create your own hidden storage ottoman, you'll need a sturdy wooden crate, a cushion, and some fabric. Start by attaching the cushion to the top of the crate using staples, nails, or strong glue. Once the cushion is secure, add the fabric by attaching it to the underside of the crate with a staple gun or fabric glue. Use it to store blankets, books, toys, or anything else you need to tuck away. This project is perfect for small spaces because it serves double duty as both seating and storage. Let's talk about getting organized. A well-organized space is a happy space. Pegboards are incredibly versatile. Use them in the kitchen, in the craft room, or in the home office. You'll need a pegboard, hooks, and baskets. Mount the pegboard securely and start organizing. A pegboard wall organizer keeps your space tidy and functional. And there you have it, y'all. 10 stunning home decor hacks that prove you don't need a big budget to make a big impact. Remember, it's all about infusing your own personality and style into your space. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed these creative ideas, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on future DIY and home decor inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop when a new video goes live. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, happy decorating! In this chapter, we'll explore some bonus home decor hacks that are both innovative and easy to implement. Stay tuned for more creative ideas to transform your living space. First up, let's talk about repurposing old picture frames into chic wall organizers. Simply add some chicken wire to the back, and voila! You've got a trendy spot to hang photos, notes, or even lightweight decor pieces. Next, consider using washi tape to create custom designs on boring lampshades or plain walls. The best part? It's removable and won't damage your surfaces, making it perfect for renters. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a well-placed mirror. Not only do mirrors make your space look larger, but they also reflect light beautifully. Try creating a gallery wall of small mirrors for a dazzling effect. Remember, the key to stunning home decor is creativity and personalization. Don't be afraid to experiment and make your space truly your own. Thanks for watching and happy decorating. Stay inspired and keep creating.